In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix games missing from your Steam library. If this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, just make sure that you haven't hidden the game by accident. To do this, go up to the top left of Steam, hit this little view tab right here and select hidden games. If your game is in here, simply right click on it and then hit manage and then hit remove from hidden. And then from here, you can go back to your view tab, go to library, and it's going to be in here. If the game still isn't showing, go ahead and click Steam up in the top left corner. And from here, go ahead and open up your settings and scroll down specifically on here till you see the downloads tab. And just scroll down again until you see the option specifically to clear your cache. Select this, confirm the decision, and Steam is going to close and restart. Sign back in, go to your library, and check to see if that game has returned. If the game still is missing for you for whatever reason, and those first two fixes should have fixed it, go ahead and select Help up in the top of Steam, and then choose Steam Support, just like so. It's going to redirect you to a page that looks like this. Find the game under your recent purchases, or simply just search for it. Select it and then choose the option saying it's not my library, and from here you can click view in my library or follow the on-screen steps so that Steam can help you restore access to the game. It really is as simple as that though. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.